Now, after a year-long global search, British actor Kingsley Ben-adir was announced as the actor who will portray reggae icon Bob Marley in his Paramount upcoming biopic. The studio has not disclosed specific details about the plot, but the film will focus on Marley's life and enduring legacy. Bob Marley had a profound impact on the music landscape before he died of cancer in 1981 at the age of 36. Some of his biggest hits include Jammin', Stir It Up, Get Up, Stand Up, Buffalo Soldier, and of course Redemption Song. The biopic will be directed by film director Ronaldo Marcus Green, who recently steered the sports drama King Richard to 6 Oscar nominations. Now, the still untitled film will see Rita, Cedella, and Ziggy being named as the producers, with Frankie Flowers as the script writer for the upcoming film. Fans were anticipating the announcement of the actor who will play the reggae legend, as they thought one of his sons would be fitting. In 2021, Kim Marley noted that playing the role of his father would be his dream role of his acting career. Ben-adir had his breakout role in Netflix's The OA. He is also known for his recent iconic figures, one of the stints including Malcolm X and Regina King's One Night in Miami. The 56th Pepsi Super Bowl halftime show